Once again, boy KP. I'm back. Tell the Lambo doors I had to fix right for my boy. Y'all probably recognize the goddamn cut. Said the boy had them motherfucker, man, dropped the door and shit, fucked up everything. Let me show y'all something right quick now. I mean, it opened out just why you wanted to open out, man. I mean, took me probably about a day or something to get that shit right. Get it back right to put the filter on and everything. Come here, Spud. Alright. What a time, man. Come on, Regina, up right here. Walk up and stay right here. You want to stay right here. Motherfucker crazy, man. I mean, Lambo doors, I can get them bitches to do 90, 45, whatever they trying to do. You know, I had to fix all that shit. Check this out. All y'all motherfuckers out here and they keep on talking about this damn bullshit, y'all need to learn how to weld first of all. The damn cutler came from a fucking shop, man. KP don't do no shit like that right there. The shop do. I mean, get your money up. Get your shit to me. You can get some good shit. Man, let me close these motherfuckers. They goddamn locked, dog.
Motherfucking boat with
They goddamn locked. Hey, lock, hold them motherfuckers.
shake and bake, motherfucker. You ain't first, goddamn, you bad the last.
They say you motherfucking lad. Hold it, lock. Let me close these doors down, man. Let me close these bitches. I'm got to get something done to a little bit on the goddamn button like shit. Like, get out of my way, bro. Get out of my way. Y'all come fuck with you, boy. Get the real shit. Get the dough dead. Man, that big clothes in the building and that right there, goddamn, y'all come holler at me. I don't believe the shop doing that shit. Who talking about the goddamn cutter? Y'all just goddamn watch out for the motherfucker when he get ready for to bring it up. But y'all can hit me up anytime, goddamn. I'm doing some of everything. Tattoos, I don't just stop there. Cars, I don't just stop there. Like welding, I don't just stop there. And drag racing, street racing, we don't stop there. Like that big goddamn shit in the back, motherfucker. I ain't first, you what lock? Last, motherfucker. Get there. 10-4 over and out, motherfucker. That's that goddamn box. That's that box. Y'all want it? Come get it. I ain't crunked this bitch up for all this long. I ain't crunked this since fast. Right now, I ain't crunked. Think I need to hit the gas, man? Ain't that to it. Been out here cold and shit.
Photo Capri. Photo Capri. If you notice, on white wall, regular time, how we get this motherfucker done.
Goddamn, 15. They 15.
What's that here?
They 15. Alright.
Get your bag.
Anybody that's short like him, you can get it.
What'd you say?
Anybody. We don't care what you got, what you run. Come with a set of tires like this here, we got you. Done with. The open done.
Open done.
And listen, they ain't gonna stop, yo. We got some in the front, y'all. When you come with slick, we got you too.
They get that, Law.
Got you.
Law say get that.
Got you. Take one down.
Nothing but the damn work, so. In the yard every day, all day. I don't even believe my boo-boo want me to get out the yard, man. All this sick shit that I keep on putting together. My boy Law Dog. I ain't gotta talk too much about this shit. Y'all see that? That's the goddamn gas tank, man. Also known as a fucking fuel cell. Fuck with your boy.
Stop suspicion.
Listen.
Stop suspicion. S10.
That's it.
No ladder bar.
That's
no
it.
contact, no slider bars, nothing.
That's
Stop suspicion. Lease frame. On slick. No roll cage. Let's get it.
Let's get it, goddamn.
We can do it on the motor, or we can do it with the juke.
That's it, motherfucker.
And for them Florida bars, we coming.
Goddamn right.
Coming.
If I don't stroke that goddamn box Chevy out good like I want to, motherfucker, I'm gonna put that bitch on the jump pile.
If all y'all niggas, this another project.
Goddamn right.
It coming.
Goddamn.
It coming.
I don't even know how to pronounce that motherfucker. Condova or something.
Yeah.
Goddamn right. Get your ish. Well, Lex was putting out the yard. I don't even know what the hell I just did it. Yeah. That white motherfucker still here. Got the 6s in the goddamn storehouse for that motherfucker. Y'all play with it. Hey, y'all want some goddamn tools? I'll let them motherfuckers go. I'll give them away. Next project right there. Next. Now, I don't know what the fuck this motherfucker over here doing. I don't know what he doing. Coughing like he got a cold. Y'all just lay around and wait for this shit, man. I'm gone, cool. It's cold out here.